Do you think public charging stations are safe? Think again. Public USB charging stations are a real cyber threat that can steal your data the second you plug in. I'm Barnett from ITCubed, where we keep your tech safe and sound. If you don't want hackers hijacking your phone, then stick around while we explain how cyber criminals use public chargers to hack devices and provide different solutions to this problem. Hit subscribe, let's get into it. Most people think USB ports are only providing power, but they actually transfer both power and data. Hackers exploit this by installing malware onto public USB ports, infecting your phone the moment you plug in. One step you can take is always use a regular power adapter and a wall outlet instead of a USB port. If you have to connect to a USB port, use a USB data blocker, a small device that lets power through but blocks data transfer. Quick tip: if you must use a public USB port, protect yourself by disabling data transfer. This setting keeps your phone from sharing data even if the port is compromised. Lastly, my favorite solution to avoiding these charging stations is carry your own personal battery bank. All kinds can be found online and are relatively inexpensive. Pro tip: never trust a public USB port. Always select charge only. Have you ever used a public charging station? Let me know in the comments. Did you feel safe, or are you rethinking it now? Want to protect your phone even more? Check out this video next on keeping your mobile devices secure. Let's recap. Avoid public USB charging ports, use a power bank or a data blocker, and disable USB data transfers on your phone. Stay one step ahead of the hackers. Like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your team. More IT tips are coming your way. See you next time.